Say. Alright, this is a song by request. One of my friends out there asked for this song. It's a very good song about a bad, bad man named Leroy Brown. Leroy Boys, Leroy Brown, bad Leroy Brown. It's one of my favorite Jim Croce songs. I remember being a kid, and I remember staying up to watch the Sonny and Cher show. You know, not for the silly gags, not for the sexy dresses. No, I watched it for the Leroy Brown cartoon because to me that was like, whoa, risque cartoons. You know. And this is back in the '70s. This is back when I used to get reprimanded for saying friggin' all the time. All right, bad Leroy Brown. South side of Chicago, the baddest part of town. If you go down there, well, you better beware of a man named Leroy Brown. Now Leroy's full of trouble, and he stands about 6'4". And the girls they call him the true-top lover. The man just call him son. Baddest man in the whole damn town, better than an old cat call, meaner than a junkyard dog. Now Leroy liked to gamble, and he liked his fancy clothes, and he liked to wear the diamond rings in front of everybody's nose. He got a Continental, he got an Eldorado or two. Got a 32 gun in his pocket full of funk. He got a razor in his shoes. And he's bad Leroy Brown, the baddest man in the whole damn town. Better than an old King Kong, meaner than a junkyard dog. Now Friday about a week ago, Leroy shooting dice at the edge of Boston. The girl named Dory, and whoa, that girl looked nice. When he cast his eyes upon her, and then the trouble soon began. And Leroy learned a lesson by messing the wife of a jealous man. 'Cause he's bad Leroy Brown, the baddest man in the whole damn town. Better than an old King Kong, meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, then they took to fighting, they pulled him from the floor. Leroy looked just like a jigsaw puzzle, a couple of pieces gone. 'Cause he's bad Leroy Brown, the baddest man in the whole damn town. Better than an old King Kong, meaner than a junkyard dog. Yes, he was bad Leroy Brown, the baddest man in the whole damn town. Better than an old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. There you go, Jeff.